Bending the right knee, kiss the left right elbow, and then kick the leg straight back behind you. Without dropping the leg, continue to kiss the left and right elbow again. Let's try one more time, extending the right leg back, then releasing to the ground, bending in the left knee, kissing the right and left elbow, extending back, repeating again, then one more time, then releasing towards the ground. Coming into a tabletop position, inhale, letting the belly drop for a cat. Letting the spine roll, stretching up towards the ceiling, pressing through the arms for a cow position. Inhaling, letting the belly drop and the head rise for the cat. And exhaling, letting the spine roll, pressing up towards the sky, pressing through the arms, stretch, letting the head drop. Inhaling, letting the stomach drop, letting the head rise. Exhaling, letting the back roll and stretching through the arms, and then coming into a neutral position. Coming back onto our tabletop pose again, hands under the shoulders, knees under the pelvis. Bringing the left leg behind you and the right arm up, getting ready for our balancing pose, and then letting the knee and the elbow kiss. Keeping engaged in the core. We're going to do a couple of these. Inhale and exhale, kissing the knee and the elbow together. Inhale and exhale, kissing the knee and the elbow together. And then one more time, and dropping to the ground. Bringing the left arm up and the right foot behind you. Lifting them up, stretching long, and then letting the right knee and the left elbow kiss, engaging in the core, inhaling out and exhaling, letting the knee and the elbow kiss. And then one more time, and then dropping to the ground, pressing back into your child's pose. Breathing into the back body, releasing any stress and tension. Coming down onto your stomach to prepare for your forearm plank. We're going to grasp our hands together to make a fist. So engage in the core, bringing the hip points together and raising the pelvis up to the sky. Pressing the elbows away from each other to gain strength in your back. And then bringing the hips down to the ground, curling the toes under, engaging in the core and pressing the hips up towards the sky. Spreading the elbows away from each other, just breathing, holding your forearm plank, and dropping down onto your belly, releasing your head to either side, and breathing into your back body. The plank can be challenging for some people, so just listen to your body so that you don't hurt yourself. Let's come to a line on our back. Bring the feet close to the pelvis. And relax the shoulders down onto the ground. As we prepare for our bridge pose, drop the hands to the ground. Bring the shoulders underneath you. Engage in the core and press the hips up towards the sky. Inhaling through the nose, pressing up high, letting the knees come together instead of splaying apart, and dropping the pelvis back towards the ground. We're going to do this a couple more times. So we'll cinch the hip points together and press in through the feet, raising pelvis towards the sky. Letting the shoulder blades be behind you. Feeling a difference in your body. Pressing up towards the sky one more time through the feet, engaging in the glutes, keeping the core engaged and breathing through the nose, and dropping the pelvis back towards the ground. Bringing the left leg behind you to balance. Engage the core and raise the left leg. Keeping straight and strong and lifting a couple times. Keeping the core engaged and dropping the knee back to the ground. Bring the right leg behind you. Engaging the core and raising the right leg, pulsating. Keeping strong, zipping the hip points together, and then dropping the knee back to the ground. And finally, resting in our constructive rest pose, keeping the knees bent, the hands on the belly, inhaling through the nose and exhaling even deep, longer breaths. Thank you for joining us today. Namaste.